Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever felt that pang of stress when packing a suitcase? So many clothes, so little space, it can feel like a puzzle, trying to fit everything in without creating a jumbled mess. But just like when we tidy our homes, packing a suitcase can be a mindful and even joyful experience. Today we'll learn how to pack efficiently, keeping our belongings protected and organized so we can embark on our journey with a light heart and a perfectly packed bag. Let's get started. Before we even touch our suitcases, we must pause and reflect. Just as we thoughtfully curate our wardrobes at home, we should approach packing with the same intention. Let's begin by visualizing our trip. What will we be doing? What is the climate like? By considering these factors, we can create a travel capsule, a curated selection of clothing that sparks joy and serves us throughout our journey. Remember, we want to pack items that make us feel confident and prepared, not overwhelmed. Now comes the fun part, bringing our travel capsule to life. Let's find a spacious surface like our bed and lay out every item we're considering. This visual overview allows us to see our clothing combinations, ensuring everything coordinates and sparks joy. Do we see any duplicates, items that don't quite fit the trip's purpose? This is our opportunity to let go of what no longer serves us, creating a tidy and efficient travel wardrobe. Packing cubes are like tiny drawers for your suitcase, transforming chaos into serene order. These fabric wonders not only maximize space, but also keep our belongings separate and easy to find. Imagine opening your suitcase to a vision of calm. Each cube neatly holding a category of clothing. No more digging for a lost sock or untangling a necklace. Chapter 4. The gentle art of rolling, saying goodbye to wrinkles. Now that our belongings are neatly categorized, it's time to address the art of packing itself. Instead of folding our clothes, which can create creases and waste precious space, we'll embrace the gentle art of rolling. Imagine transforming each garment into a soft, compact cylinder, ready to be nestled into our suitcase. Not only does rolling prevent wrinkles, but it also allows us to see everything at a glance, making unpacking a breeze. Chapter 5. Transforming empty space, the magic of filling gaps. Empty space, a traveler's treasure. Once we've placed our rolled garments into the suitcase, we'll notice small gaps and crevices. Don't let them go to waste. These spaces are perfect for tucking in socks, underwear, or even rolled up belts. Think of it as a playful puzzle, utilizing every nook and cranny to maximize our packing potential. Chapter 6. Protecting our treasures, safeguarding essentials. Just as we treat our cherished belongings at home with care, we must protect our essentials while traveling. For toiletries, a leak-proof bag is our best friend, preventing any unexpected spills from dampening our journey. And for delicate items like electronics or souvenirs, let's wrap them in soft clothing, providing a gentle buffer against bumps along the way. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in ensuring our belongings arrive safe and sound. Chapter 7. Essential access, creating a just-in-case carry-on. Before we zip up our perfectly packed suitcase, let's take a moment to consider those essential items we might need during our travels. Our passport, medications, a phone charger. These are our travel companions that deserve a special place in our carry-on bag. By keeping them within easy reach, we're prepared for any unexpected delays or adventures that come our way. Outro, ready for takeoff, embracing the journey ahead. There you have it, a perfectly packed suitcase, ready to accompany us on our next adventure. Remember, packing doesn't have to be a chore, it can be a mindful and even enjoyable experience. By approaching it with intention and care, we set the tone for a joyful and organized journey. Thank you for joining me today, and may your travels be filled with wonder and delight. Now your suitcase is packed like a pro. Ready for your next adventure? Hit that like button and follow for more travel tips. See you in the next video.